Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome to another video. Like I said, today it's like if there's no one outside, 'cause I don't want to show them the face. Today it's dying really fast outside. Like I said, it's been going on since Tuesday. Well, it started on Tuesday. Tuesday started snowing just a little bit, and the weather's gonna get worse. So I thought I'd just do another video because last time I couldn't get to show you because I was recording in my bathroom because I couldn't get to record in the sitting room. So that's why I thought, yo, look at that, it's snowing. I don't think you can see properly, but I know you can see cars. You can see on the road, like loads, and on over footpath, you can see there's like snow. I'll go to the other side because I don't think. One sec. Like I said, look at the snow. Look at that, you can see it's falling from here. From here you can see it's snowing, but because we didn't go in the front in the sitting room, when you look out the window you can't see if it's like snowing that much. So at 3 o'clock he said on the weather that it might snow like really fast. We're starting snowing now, but it's gonna snow really fast, and there's gonna be like wind. It's not windy now, but there might be like wind, so you can see the garden's a bit messy, but we will clean it when it rains and when it comes sunny. And you can see our washing machine and the old one, and you can probably see the ceiling. You can probably see this falling from the sky, and that's our next door neighbors. They made a roof outside, so like I said, you can see it falling. So like I said, I won't be doing Black Ops 2 videos for now because I don't play PS3 anymore. I do, but I don't play on it every day. I only play on it like once or twice, but most likely it's just I play on it once. So I'll try and come on Monday and then find a new clan to join and hopefully do live stream Monday. And yeah, so and I might be doing more reacting videos maybe. I'll think about it and so yeah, like I said, this video is different because I know I don't upload anymore. Like I do sometimes, but only if and school was closed today because of the snow, so I didn't go to school even though I was not going to school anyway. So like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like the video and then subscribe, put notification bell on, and yeah, leave a comment down below if it's snowing for you lot. And you guys can follow me on Instagram. I got Instagram, you lot can follow me on Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description so you lot can follow my Instagram. So like I said, thanks for watching guys. As always, make sure you like and subscribe, put notification bell on, and leave a comment down below. And like I said, follow my Instagram, it's gonna be in the link in the description. So like I said, thanks for watching guys, as always. And it's snowing really fast. Look at that guys, look, it's snowing. It's snowing a bit. It's snowing a bit more fast. Like I said before, I was gonna I'll show you the top and this. And yeah, look at that. You can see, and oh, I thought what was happening. Okay, like I said, thanks for watching guys. As always, stay tuned for more videos and peace.